Are you struggling to improve your English fluency, or do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Hello, this is Neha, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing a powerful tip to help you achieving your goals. So today's tip is all about the power of fluency journaling. So, what does it mean by the fluency journaling? Let's understand it first. So, the fluency journaling simply means that you have to be write down something in your journal every day. You have to be write down something. Something it could be include like your activities, thoughts, your feelings, and sometimes it could be like you are going to be write down your routine as well. So it involves everything, whatever you can think, whatever you can write. It's just going to be your fluency journaling. So how you can practice it? Because we have to be understand, right? If you want to speak fluently, then it's necessary thing to do that you are just going to be write down. Because when you have to be write something on the page, on paper, then your mind is just going to be reprogrammed. Okay, this kind of the vocabulary, this kind of the grammar structure that I have learned already, then I have to be used in this scenario. So your mind will be prepared for that particular situation, and when it comes to be speak out, you will be able to speak out, you will be able to express yourself if you find yourself in that particular scenario. So that's why the first point is you have to be setting aside 10 to 15 minutes each day to write down in your journal. Doesn't matter about what you are just going to be write down. It could be your like routine, your activities, whatever you have done throughout the day. You can write down everything, and your desires, your goals, and let's say you can write down about your feelings and the emotions as well, your friends or family. There are a lot of topics you can write down. Just write down, okay? And the second point is you have to be write down freely and fluently. Don't worry that there is no need to worry about, okay, if you don't have the vocabulary, you are not going to be understand in this scenario, in this situation, what kind of vocabulary I have to be used. If you are not understanding that particular point, then don't worry, just write it down in your simplest way, whatever you have learned today, whatever you have learned so far. You have to be use the grammar structure and the vocabulary and the sentences, whatever you have learned so far. And the third point is the consistency and the discipline. Because when you are just going to be write in your journal every day, so it's just going to become your habit. And it's a crucial thing when it comes to be fluency, because fluency is all about that you have to be practice consistently and make mistakes. It's a necessary thing. If you are not committing, if you are not making mistakes, it simply mean that you are not learning some new things. That's why you have to be make sure that you have to be learn something new every day. Doesn't matter if you are just going to be make a lot of mistakes, it's all right. I hope this powerful point helps you in your English fluency. But remember that the key of when it comes to be become fluent in English is just going to be practice consistently and make mistakes. And don't worry, and don't afraid to try new things and to challenge yourself in your life. Just simply make it very simple and just try it out, and let me know if it's just going to be work for you.